How to change your engine oil. 2024 Toyota Corolla LE. And here are the following tools and parts you need. Car ramps, wheel chocks. You got to make sure that each tire is inside the ramp. You got to double check. If you have to squat, go squat. You got to visually inspect this. It's important that the tires are inside the ramp so it doesn't fall off or your car doesn't fall off. Now I'm inside the car. My left foot is on the brake and my right foot is on the accelerator. What I'm going to try to do is step on the gas just a little bit and let go of the brake. And what I'm trying to do is slowly creep up on the incline. As your car is climbing over the incline, it will go forward very slowly. But once it hits the flat spot or the horizontal part of the ramp, you will notice that the car will start moving forward. And immediately you got to pay attention. You got to be on guard. As soon as you notice that there's a difference of speed, that it increased the speed, meaning it's moving forward faster than as it was inclining, immediately step on the brake and let go of the gas at the same time. And then slowly let the brake go. Now, if you're not on the flat spot of the ramp, it will roll back down. But if you are on the flat spot of the ramp, then it's not going to move anywhere. And at that point, go ahead and put it in park, put the handbrake, get out of the car, and inspect visually. You need to see where the tire is at and make sure you're on the flat spot. And if you are on the flat spot, if you need to make an adjustment to go a little bit forward, be easy on this one. Just step on the gas just a little bit if you need to go forward. Or if you are right on the flat spot and then you're hitting against the stop, then settle down with this, put it on park, put it on parking brake on, shut off the engine, and you're good. Make sure you double check everything underneath, that the tire is butt up against the stop. On both tires, it has to be the same equally. So both tires have to be butt up against the stop of the wheel ramp before you do anything else. Well, it looks good right now. So let's go ahead and secure the car by placing both wheel chocks, as you can see here. Before you do anything, make sure it is on park and parking brake is applied.